Ma'am, what prompted the President to support the anti-dynasty bill, given that when he was still a presidential aspirant, he said that there is nothing wrong with political dynasties? Ma'am, let me just read what he mentioned in January 2022. Why would you make political dynasty illegal? Paano kung yun ang gusto ng tao? The perception is political dynasty is bad, which is not the case. You are targeting a very specific group in society. Ang politika naman is all about performance. If you're worried about dynasties, then take everybody to an election. So ma'am, may we know what changed his mind?
Katulad ng sinabi natin kanina, nagbabago ang political landscape. Maraming umaabuso. At tama naman ang Pangulo, ang kapangyarihan ng pagboto ay nasa kamay ng taong bayan. Pero dahil dito may mga naaabuso, nais ng Pangulo na ipabatid sa taong bayan na kayo ay may choice. Choice na naaayon sa merito, hindi lamang dahil pare-pareho ng apelido.
Ma'am, quick follow-up lang po. How does the President define dynasty? And what are the provisions does he intend to see in the measure? And confident ba ma'am yung Palace na this bill will be pushed in both chambers of Congress, given na we know for a fact that some lawmakers actually hail from dynasties?
Kaya nga ang bilin ng Pangulo, aralin tong mabuti para maging tama ang definition ng dynasty.
Thank you, ma'am.